anyways, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. So as you see in today's title, I got a different video for y'all. I'm gonna be doing a unboxing of my first Telfar bag. You know the vibes. So before we get into this video, please give it a like, don't forget to comment and subscribe. Turn post notifications because it's only on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And with that, listen to the video. Alright, y'all. Moment of truth. I'm so excited. Let me get some scissors so we can open this properly. Alright, y'all. I'm doing this standing up. Well, y'all need to see that. Gives me information on where I got it from. Cue music. Yeah. Yeah. Big body, not little body, big body. Yeah. So y'all see what it comes in. The packaging, the bag, the dust bag. And let's do drum roll, please. Look at the color. Y'all not getting the color though. Oh my goodness. It looks so pretty. Who y'all got a copper bag? Nobody. Bro, I'm gonna wear this right now. I got the medium size, y'all. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna open it. Oh, it's like a little Velcro thingy. That's cute. It's Velcro. Okay. Let's see what it's talking about. This is so cute. Look at the inside. Oh yeah, this is the bag right here, y'all. What y'all know? I wish y'all could see me. I'm for. Let's go out. Let's go so I can wear my bag. Where? This is so cute. This is too much. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna explain the process of how I got my bag. So it really didn't, actually it wasn't too much effort. Like I haven't had a time where I didn't get a bag, knock on wood, because it was like you have to log on at exactly 9 o'clock. I logged on at like 8:50 because I wanted to get there early, and I used 2 devices. I used my phone, I used my computer, and I didn't use my phone because it was going slower than my computer, so I got the bag on my computer. I would suggest having 2 devices that you can use. I think it gives you like a higher chance of getting the bag, and you gotta be on it. Like you have to get on there at 9 o'clock, and don't even play around. You need to know your size, what color you want to get, and you need to buy it and hurry up, because after you put it in your cart, like there's a chance that you can't get the bag because you have to wait in line. So like if you get it and get on at 9 o'clock, you have a higher chance of being like maybe not the first person in line, but it's a small number of people in front of you, so it's easier to do. And yeah, I got on early. I used 2 devices, and that was it. I used PayPal. I didn't use PayPal or Apple Pay. And if you do have PayPal, then I was just setting it up beforehand, just so you don't have to like put in all your information and kind of like lower your chances of even getting the bag. I did have to put in my information, like my mailing address and my card information, so that probably took me, it didn't take me a minute to do, no, but if I did it beforehand, I probably would have had a faster delivery process. Once I did that, I feel like I got a confirmation email, and then like my confirmation number, or like my tracking number, I feel like that did not come until maybe like 4 days after I did it, because I was really waiting and checking my email, trying to figure out like where is my number so I can check my package. But I think shipping overall maybe took like a week. It's not like too long. It might be longer because it's anticipation, but I don't think it was too long for shipping. I think I ordered my bag last week and I got it today or yesterday, so it really doesn't take that long for shipping. And you know, this bag, it's cute, so cute. It's giving me rose gold, but heavy on the gold. Not much rose. Period. So yeah, that was my process of how I got this bag, and it really wasn't too much, but you just kind of be on it, get on there, get out. You know, like an in and out process, really fast, really quick. And yeah, the bag is really smooth. Since this is a unboxing, I have not opened it yet. Well, no, I have not put stuff in it yet, but looking from the inside, it seems like a lot of stuff can fit in here compared to the smaller one that I have. And yeah, this is just a medium for you guys, so I feel like medium is a really good size for me. And yes, y'all, ooh, I'm so excited. This bag is everything. So if you guys did enjoy this video and have any questions about me with the process, shipping, anything about the bag, drop them below in the comments, because I do respond and I will be helpful to you all. If you want to copy Telfar, because guess what I got? Telfar. Yeah, but yeah, I will be down in the comments if you have any questions about the process at all. I'll try my best to answer them. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a like, don't forget to comment and subscribe, turn on notifications because the videos are uploading on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And with that, y'all, thanks for watching.